Hello, so last night we spent the night on the Kit Hill car park, top car park, there's two car parks I think, in Cornwall. We arrived in the dark and in the mist. It's still misty this morning. So up there somewhere is Kit Hill TV mast. Saying that, TV wasn't very good. We only had BBC channels. So we parked in a little bay here. It's very windy this morning. There's another bay up there, and there's another bay in there. Information board there. Oh, a little bit nippy now, it's a bit windy. So then, oh yeah, there is a bin over there. Oh, another car coming in there. No, it's not, it's gone past. There's a bay here with a massive great big puddle, and another bay the other side of this little grassy bit, and another bay around the corner. But these two bays there, and the one at the end actually, if it wasn't foggy, that would be one hell of a view. So, like I say, TV wasn't great. What's he doing? TV wasn't great last night. I had a full phone signal for phone calls on my phone, and the internet wasn't great either. It was a bit hit and miss. But apart from that, it was a really nice Parkup. 3 cars turned up late last night, but they went in there somewhere. Didn't really hear from them, and then they went. And that's that. Thank you for watching. Bye.